Guys, welcome to Mindadda. My name is Vijay Venkat. I am your trainer and mentor. Today we are going to talk about comprehension skills. Many people have heard about communication skills, the importance of vocabulary, the importance of grammar, but very few people discuss about comprehension skills. Comprehension skills about what you understand, how you retrieve, and how you use it in your day-to-day life. How you retrieve information is what about comprehension skills. How you understand a topic is about comprehension skills. So comprehension skill is very, very important, and that's what we're going to learn, what and how comprehension skills can help you. So first point is how to remember things, why we should remember things, why to comprehend things, because we cannot remember the entire text or entire meeting what we went through. So we comprehend things, we cut it short, summarize things, and then we remember it. So the first technique of how to remember and how to comprehend is make connections. So why should we make connections? Because if you have some incident which had happened in the past, and if you connect it with what is happening now, then you can relate it easily, and the connections will help you to summarize the incident very easily. So very important part is connecting between two different incidents, and what happened past and what is happening now. So that's very important of making connections. Then that will help you in comprehending things easily. So second part, and which most people don't take it seriously, is asking questions. People are shy of asking questions. People shy away from asking questions because they feel they don't have the right to ask questions. But they forget that until you ask questions, the answers will not come through. And when the answers don't come through, that means you're not getting the complete information. So if you're not getting the complete information, that means you're not able to understand the incident which had taken place. So you have to ask questions to understand and comprehend and remember things. So remember, the third important point is visualizing things. When you visualize things, it will be permanently in your mind. We should understand that our mind stores information in terms of images and not in terms of text. So when you visualize things, it will be in terms of images. So that will help you to recollect a previous incident easily. So always visualize things, what happened earlier and what is happening now. That will help you to comprehend things very easily. And the fourth point is determination. Determination of means what? Summarizing things of what had happened. So there's a difference between interesting things and important things. We should understand that what is interesting may not be important. So you have to just note down the important things and then remember it easily. So when you make down 4 or 5 important points, it will be very, very easy for you to remember and recollect. Comprehension is all about recollecting what has done, what has happened in the past, what is happening now, and so that you can plan what should you do next. So comprehension is very, very important. As communication, you must have heard of communication skills, vocabulary skills, as I said earlier, grammatical skills, but few people concentrate on comprehension skills. So today I hope you learn something out of comprehension skills, and hope you will implement those things. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Our website is www.mindadda.com. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.